Today we will discuss a simple and straightforward method for identifying user experience issues. Step 1. Observe and listen to users. The first step in defining a UX problem is to observe and listen to your users. This could involve talking to them, watching them using your product or service, or reviewing feedback they have provided. The goal is to get a clear understanding of what's not working well and what your users are struggling with. Step 2. Analyze the data. Once you have a good understanding of the problem, it's time to analyze the data you have gathered. This could involve reviewing the data and analytics or conducting user research. The goal is to get a deep understanding of the problem and what your user need and want. Step 3. Create a problem statement. With a solid understanding of the problem, it's time to create a problem statement. A problem statement should be concise, clear, and specific. It should describe the problem, why it's a problem, and who it affects. The goal is to have a clear understanding of the problem that everyone on your team can refer to. Step 4. Validate the problem. With a clear problem statement, it's time to validate the problem. This could involve getting feedback from the stakeholders, conducting additional user research, or reviewing the data. The goal is to make sure the problem is real, relevant, and worth solving. And that's it for today's video on defining problems in UX. Remember, by observing and listening to your users, analyzing the data, creating a problem statement, and validating the problem, you can effectively define UX problems and create better user experience. Thanks for watching.